So according to the first specification, let's write a new email here. Choosing the recipient and writing a subject of let's give it a subject of a second mail. I have a body here, and when we'll click on the send mail option here, we can see here a success message that is email has been sent successfully. Now if I open here send box, then we can see here the second mail where the body which was typed by us is present here in the sent box. Now I have signed from another email ID, and we can see that we have so many mails which are unread, so the background is white. And if I click on any mail, then we can see here the message, the mail, the time on which it was sent, to whom it was sent, and the subject is present here and the center of the mail. Now if I go to the inbox again, then we can see here the mail was red, hence the background has turned to gray. So now let's check again the second mail which was sent recently. The body is present here, then there is a recipient, the time stamp, the subject, and the who is the sender of the mail. So now according to the next specification, again we are checking an email here, and we can see here we have made a GET request to the API which was developed by the CS50 itself, and now we have actions here. We can reply to the mail if we can mark as a read. If you mark as a read, then we can see here the mail was marked as a read here. Now if I click it again, we can click on mark as unread, and now if we go to the inbox again, then we can see here the mail was marked as unread, hence the background has turned to white again. Now we can archive the mail here. If I click on the archive, then we can see here in the archive the mail is present here, the first mail. Okay, so now if I click on unarchive, then we can see here there is no mail in archive, but we see the mail has been shifted to the inbox again. So now if we try to reply any mail, so let's reply the second mail. We can see here the subject, in the subject we get a re here, that is we are replying to the mail who had a subject of a second mail. Then we can see here on the timestamp the sender of the mail wrote the body of the mail. Now we can write here a random body, and again when we will try to send the mail, we can see here the email was sent successfully. And if you go to the sent mail again, then we can see here in the second mail with the reply subject, in which we have written thanks admin to the previously auto generated body to the mail which we were replying. Now if I try to reply to this mail again, then we will observe here the re is now generated here again, because it is already present here. Otherwise it would have been like this, but as the re is already included, we are not including it again. Then we can see here again that the timestamp and the message which was earlier present while replying. Now if I write the third mail here, then and click on the send mail, we can see the mail was sent successfully. And we can here see again second mail, that the body, the time, and which to the mail we were replying.